This is for my 3rd grade Rube Goldberg project I had to do. So this force of motion is down. It goes down, and this little thingy moves back and forth, and this part will go straight, and when this touches the balloon, it will pop, and the bell that will go back and forth will make a sound. So here we go. You want to put the ball here? Put the ball here. Okay. Well, I guess it didn't ring the bell. But woohoo!